relevant articles. Divide them into 2 pages per article, not more than that, because otherwise 10 minutes is something, or I gave you only 5 minutes. I'm so sorry, guys. 10 minutes is the time you can give for reading article. 2 pages, that's it. Whatever number of pages, divide them into 2 pages per article. Whatever articles, ensure they are not more than 10. Okay, 5 or 6, because that many teams are going to be there. All right. Then mark each article. Can I have one article? I think that's completely gone. Okay. Mark each article, okay, with some kind of symbol and color code. It's very simple. I can just write A with different color, B with different color. Okay. So article 1 and the color code, or article 2 and so color code. Okay. Divide whole team, whoever you have, distribute to them randomly, but you should know in the beginning, in preparation, how many articles you are going to divide. Okay, so for example, if you have 7, then how many sets of number 1, number 2, number 3 you need. Okay, so for that you should know number of participants. Okay, maximum team size in this kind of scenario cannot be more than 8 or 10. Ideally 4 to 5. That's ideal. Okay, once done, article given, you read articles, check out or come out with your own understanding, then table ambassador or ambassadorial sharing. Okay, you move whole lot around. So what happens is, other than table ambassador, everyone goes, take inputs, what really happened during that. A 2 pages concrete article reduced down to 6 or 7 key points. That's exactly what we anyway learn. Alright, and once you've got all those things, you again come back to home table and collect the information. I'm so sorry I was harsh. I gave you just 1.5 hours for this activity. It goes on for about 3 hours. And when you do it for 3 hours, ensure you don't have to speak a single word about the whole thing, whole data or content. They have understood all by themselves. And then comes the right brain in picture. When anything along with the text associated with graphic, it remains anchored in your brain. All right? And that's when, the moment I say, so this is your flip chart, right?
That's up.
What happened? Yeah, what happened? The ownership. That's ours. That's mine. Okay? That's the beautiful part. Okay? Imagine, take it all the way down. Take it all the way down into your school education. If any one of you dealing with teachers, one subject, one chapter, run textra. Teacher doesn't have to say single word. Believe me, you take exam on that one chapter. After you run the textra process for the students, everyone will score beyond 90. Because understanding happens with key points. Explaining and asking questions. Otherwise, typically teacher comes, lecture is over, 2 or 3 lectures on that particular chapter, and that's it. Teacher is not even bothered, have you understood or not? Alright? And most of the people, most of the students don't go out and understand. Some smart ones go, typically. Teacher, I don't understand this. And if many people go, a teacher's response is, what? You didn't understand, you're not paying attention? That's it. वो आदमी का जितना जो रहता है अंदर का सब उधर ही खत्म हो जाता है. And then during exam, it really goes for a toss. Yeah. Yeah.